The legal advisor speaking to Kavanaugh's informer, Christine Blasey Ford, is bad habit seat of an association that is straightforwardly supported by George Soros. Lawyer Debra Katz, a compelling Democratic benefactor, is additionally bad habit seat of the Project on Government Oversight, a non-benefits association that has gotten assets from Soros Open Society Foundation. Soros' stingy hands are everywhere throughout the endeavors to prevent Kavanaugh's affirmation from occurring. In the first place, there was a report in June that found another political promotion aggregate that promised to put $5 million behind a push to stop Kavanaugh's affirmation has critical connections to the liberal lender George Soros. The gathering, Demand Justice, built up in 2018, gets its cash from the 1630 Fund, and the 1630 Fund got generally $2.2 million from the Soros Open Society Policy Center between the long periods of 2012 and 2016. Request Justice's whole mission is to propel the Democratic plan through the U.S. court framework. Our objective is to sharpen general population progressives to think about the courts as a scene for their activism and an approach to propel the dynamic motivation, DJ's official chief, Brian Fallon, revealed to the New York Times. At that point, recently it developed that the sibling of Christine Blasey Ford worked for a law office that later proceeded to hold Fusion GPS, the essential fixer for the Clintons and the Democratic Party. Also, now this. WashingtonTimes.com reports, Debra Katz, the lawyer speaking to Kavanaugh's informer, Christine Blasey Ford, is bad habit seat of the Project on Government Oversight, an association that has been specifically supported by Soros Open Society Foundation. Katz is additionally a heavy Democratic benefactor, giving a large number of dollars throughout the years to Barack Obama, Hillary Clinton and other liberal hopefuls, as Front Page Mag detailed. Consolidate that with the reports of Kavanaugh's refusal of being at the gathering depicted by Ford, and what's forming is an inquisitive, without a doubt, curve to the assignment hearings. Presently, Kavanaugh is expected to show up before the Senate Judiciary Committee, close by his informer, and the vote to push ahead his affirmation is put off. Kavanaugh's own notoriety, before Ford's allegation, has been stellar. "I've been companions with Brett Kavanaugh for more than 35 years, and dated him amid secondary school," said Maura Cain, in an announcement to the media. "In each circumstance where we were as one, he was constantly deferential, kind and astute. The allegations leveled against him not the slightest bit speak to the nice young fellow I knew. We stay great companions and I appreciate him as a spouse, father and expert." Another lady who said she dated Kavanaugh in school discharged a comparable proclamation, vouching for his character totally. Obviously, Democrats reject these ladies' announcements as irrelevant, as trivial. What they mean is it doesn't accommodate their account. What they need covered up is it doesn't accommodate their funders' and contributors' stories.